So we're back live. Video 3, 5th annual Permaculture Classroom Garden and Greenhouse for the Blitz at the Mertry family farm. Everybody's taking a little eating break here while we're planning where to put all the plants off the map and take them out there while everybody's still working hard. We'll hang up whoever that is because I have no phone left. If they do that to me, I will have no phone. Okay, Matthew Mueller's back on. And there's Speckles, our mascot rooster. As we're filming. Those were the biggest strawberries. How did you get such big strawberries? Wow. So bring enough for that first huckle bed, okay? Yarrow? Yeah, who brought this? Somebody nice. Probably Cece. I bet Cece brought that beautiful yarrow right there. From her beautiful 3-year-old food forest we put in our 2nd annual Perma Blitz 3 years ago. The machines are doing so great out there digging. These are amazing trees you got last year. Did you get a good deal on them?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Unfortunately, they kind of suffered this one.
It's alive.
It's alive.
It's
which
alive.
Surprised me. I thought.
But you know what? That's actually a good thing because I hate how nurseries grow them tall like that. That's the last thing we want. So we're going to keep these scaffolding limbs going outward. Every good limb that's going out is going to be a scaffolding limb, and then we're going to cut somewhere. But we don't want all that tall stuff up there, okay? We want scaffolding limbs, and the tree says, I want them to start down here for some reason, and that's okay because these things grow really tall, okay? So we'd be better off cutting above the node here and focus on growing these scaffolding limbs out. Then when you have 3 or 4 perfect scaffolding limbs coming out of this tree, that's going to be a good height.
The only thing is they're so low.
I know.
We'll see.
But it's nice to have to pick. Because look at how tall that is. Would you want to pick that up there?
Well, there's nothing to pick. That's just
no, but would you have had it been okay? Exactly.
In fact, that's my complaint about
some of these trees. Look at this, just tall over here. So here you've got a really good height. You've got all these scaffolding limbs here. So you're gonna trim, decide which scaffolding limbs to trim above, and then get the rest out. So it'll focus on these nice scaffolding limbs, as Brent would tell us, which I haven't even had a chance to call him since he got home from the hospital.
You should call him.
I know. My little Grant. And I've got the maps open. Why? I don't know. Can you hold this for a second, please? Scott Campbell is on now.
It's a friend of mine in Michigan.
Can you hold that, please?
That's
I can't run
nephew.
2 phones at the same time. It's just too hard. All right, so I'm still
What are
charging.
we filming here? So
Sorry, we're filming
craziness.
our process. I'm gonna go put this phone so it can charge until I go out there. How do we pause? I don't know how to pause. It just says finish. So we'll just keep filming. And I know, honey, I love you. Hold on just a second, folks. I can't run 2 phones at the same time. It's just too hard. Take a break. No. Okay. No. Please stop. Oh, shoot. It's really infuriating. Can't do 2 things at once. I've got to have this charged in case that one dies. Stop.
about to manage. You're 200 feet. That kind of
Remember to let me know, okay, Joanna? Okay. Oh my gosh,
becomes a lot easier when there's only 3 or 4.
we're in trouble.